want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down to find one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
What's up guys, so it's now that time of the holiday, home time, but we have school in the morning, so we have to leave on Sunday evening, which is now. And we went bowling earlier, that was really fun. And I went swimming for the last time as well, in the waves one, in the wave pool, so that was good. So the stay's just been amazing, we'll definitely be back. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed the Sunday Parks vlogs. Make sure to like and subscribe, because I have some other videos, really exciting videos, you will not want to miss them, coming up soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Lucy Luella. Bye!
It's 2 AM and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 AM and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.